Hey everyone, Wilson with Premier here. Behind me is a Ferrari 812 Superfast that we are doing a full body ClearGuard Nano wrap on. Currently, we have the entire hood completed, top to bottom, one piece without any seams. If you've seen other companies work, you may have noticed that a lot of times on the top corner, there are triangular notches that people have to join films on. That's because the standard paint protection film only comes in 60 inches. So currently, there's no film that is big enough to cover this in one piece top to bottom. So in order to do so, there's a lot of stretching techniques and installation techniques that we use in order to conform the entire hood with the film. So what I'm going to do is do a quick run through just to show the installation, how the edges are wrapped, and how clean the installation is without any distortions. So to start, you could see that the film is all the way up to the edges, or wrapped wherever possible. There's no distortions from overstretching the film. We use a lot of stretching techniques that releases a lot of tension so that you don't have the risk of the film bouncing and minimizes any kind of adhesive distortion that may happen. Normally there will be a seam over right over here, and there's a triangular piece that joins together. When we do it, this is done one piece. Film is wrapped wherever possible, even around the corner areas. If you look at this vent area, the seam is right up to the edge, so you don't see anything sitting on the outside of this. There's also none of that usual adhesive distortion that happens when the film is stretched and the adhesive isn't holding and it bounces. So this is as clean as it can get. See, the gloss on ClearGuard Nano is the clearest and glossiest film in the industry. On this area right here, we haven't completed the wrapping around the edges, but you can see where the film is. So that's just a quick preview for this project. We only have the full hood done so far, and we're going to take more videos and take more pictures as we go along and progress. So follow along and see how this project comes out.